Hey guys, Drew Brents here, Pre-Up 1003 and Broker Plus, and today I want to talk about setting up scheduled or recurring campaigns in the new CRM 2.0. So first thing you're going to want to do is go over to the CRM campaigns page. We're going to create campaign. We're going to put this, let's go ahead and call this a scheduled test. We're going to select campaign type as scheduled or recurring. Add new. Okay. And just like in other tutorials, remember what distribution group do you want this linked to? Okay, so we're going to link it to the group. Remember, campaigns are tied to the groups of people you want to market to. It is inactive, okay, but let's go ahead and add the first message. Let's do a email. Okay. That's a template that I actually created earlier in one of our other tutorial videos. So we'll just use that. We're going to add new. Okay. Let's go ahead and add a couple others. So we're going to do, let's go create. Okay. So testing, blah, 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 right? And we're just going to do the text message here if you want to. Okay. All right. I'm going to save that as a template too. Testing text. Okay. And new. Okay, let's do one more. Email. Testing. And new. Okay. So we got 3. So let's talk about. So remember, nothing's going to go out. If these are yellow, that means nothing's scheduled. I don't care if you have this on or not. Nothing's going out if nothing's scheduled. Okay, so let's go to the first one. You got a send now option, send later, or recurring. So those are your options. Send now. Send now is going to send out within a 30-minute window. That's important that you guys understand that, because the cron job to send this runs every 30 minutes. So send now, it could happen in 2 minutes, it could happen in 5 minutes, it could happen in 15 minutes, somewhere within a 30-minute window. Okay, so send now, we're going to go ahead and add that. Okay, so that's going to go out. And if you schedule something that is outside of, for instance, let me go back over there. Right here it says any message that is scheduled for a time that has already passed will be scheduled for the next day. Okay, so what does that mean? Let's say it's too late in the day and you don't want to, we don't want to be sending out messages, particularly text messages, to someone after business hours. So that's really a safeguard for you. So if it's too late, it's going to send it the following day. All right. Now on this one, I don't want to send it now. I want to send it for later. Okay. So when do I want to pick it? So let's pick it for the next day. And what time? Now this is Central Standard Time. So if you're in California, you need to understand, if you set it for 9 a.m., it's going to go out at 7 a.m., okay, or 10 a.m. So you do the math on that. Same thing if you're in Hawaii. You just need to back that out. So we do use Central Time on the scheduling. So we're going to send it for later. We're going to add, okay? All right. Now, and then then you also have a recurring, okay? So recurring. So you say, okay, I want this one now to recur. I want it I want it to repeat every, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. Okay, so you can kind of pick that. How often do you want it to recur? Okay, start date, when you want it to start. So I'm going to say started on the 28th, repeated every month. I want it to go on the 28th of every month. And what time? Okay, 10 a.m. And now here's something really cool. You can say, okay, I want it to end after 10 messages. So after 10 months, okay, or 10 weeks, whatever you prefer. Hold on. 10, okay, 10, oh, duh, sorry, 1 week, and it's going to end after 10 weeks, 10 messages, okay, so that's pretty simple on the recurring. So you got, for the scheduled, you got send now, send later, or recurring, okay, so yeah, pretty simple. Make sure you tie it to your distribution group. Analytics will be coming soon, so you'll be able to see on each campaign that you have what the analytics are. And then you can always preview your message here if you want to take a look at that. Okay, so yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Again, always thank you for using Broker Plus and Pre-Up 1003.